Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Prof.Dr.Alay Ahmad. I am full professor presently at Princeton University, Kohat, Islamabad, Peshawar. Formerly, I taught at University of Peshawar Psychology Department for 30 years. I also taught in Turkey, Somalia, United States of America, including Hamad. I successfully supervised 9 PhD scholars and more than 500 EMBAs, MBBAs, MSc, BBA thesis. I am also former editor of Princeton Journal of Social Sciences and editorial board member of Pakistan Psychological Studies, Department of Psychology, University of Peshawar. So with this brief introduction, I start my main main presentation. You see that the topic of this lecture is main purpose of writing paper, writing article and writing report. This is the main purpose. Now, another important point to explain the title, that the sharing of most recent knowledge and advancement of science. When we share knowledge, the science will be advanced. Now we come to main topic, that is effective communicative style may achieve main aim of writing. Remember that one very important thing, write only relevant aspects and exclude irrelevant contents. In simple words, directly approach to the main problem, related issues, related variables, and avoid irrelevant contents, irrelevant subject matters. Now, remember, someone else should be able to repeat your experiment solely on the basis of your experiment. According to Professor McGuigan, 1983, this quotation borrowed from 327 page. Remember that according to McGuigan, when you write a certain paper, to follow the advice of Professor McGuigan, someone else should be able to repeat your experiment solely on the basis of your experiment. You conduct an experiment, you present it, you publish it. Your experimental study published in a journal. You write it. So remember, you should write it, that experiment, that report, that research paper in such a way that if somebody wants to replicate your experiment, repeat your experiment, simply only and only on the basis of your experiment. It's a difficult task, but it requires practice, according to Professor McGuigan.